Okay, Assalamualaikum. Kita continue kita punya lecture dengan how you convert binary decimal number to the pada octal. So bila kita buat decimal tu pada octal, kita kena perlu either guna two method, either using a division method ataupun place value method. Okay, tapi kali ni kita akan convert this decimal number to the octal number dengan membahagikan dengan 8. Kenapa 8? So octal adalah numbering system, nama of numbering system that use a base 8. So 4, 3 contohnya dalam kes ini kita convert 4321 okay, dengan base 8 okay, dengan menggunakan division method. So 4321 okay, base 10 you convert into octal, okay. So apa yang you buat, you divide lah macam biasa. So 4321 you divide by 8, you akan dapat jawapan 540. So dan dia have baki, remainder dia adalah 1. Okay, and then this 540 you kena jawapan dia again you akan bahagikan dengan 8, you akan dapat 67. So bila 67 ni, okay, you dapat jawapan dia 67 tapi remainder dia adalah 4. Okay, so you dapat 4 and then 67 ni again kita akan bahagikan lagi dengan 8 and then kita akan dapat bahagikan 8 dengan jawapan dia 8 and then baki 3. Mana dapat 3 ialah 8 kali 8 64. So 67 tolak 64 adalah baki 3. So itu cara dia dapat baki 3 lah. So 8 kita bahagi lagi dengan, ambil jawapan 8 ni kita bahagi lagi dengan 8, kita akan dapat 1 and then 1 ni remainder dia kosong. Okay, and then this 1 kita divide by 8, okay, dia akan dapat kosong. Okay, divide by 8, sorry. Kita padam sekejap. Okay. Okay, 1 kita divide by 8 equals to 0 and then remainder dia adalah 1. Okay, so 1. So, bila kita dah habis bagi stop sampai sini, apabila dia punya ni dah kosong, okay, alright, maka kita akan write the answer. The way we write the answer sama macam bani juga, kita akan write from the bottom to the top. Okay, so bottom to the top. Okay, here from 1 to 10 here. Okay, so 10341 base 8. So this is how you convert from the decimal number to octal. Okay. So the second method adalah menggunakan placing value method. Okay, in order for you to convert the base 10 to the base 8. So for example here you want to convert 1 to 8 base 10 to the octal. Okay, so you put into the table, okay, with the value of base 10. Start from the right to the left. So from the right to the left you have 1. Okay, 1 is representing from the 8 to the power of 0. Okay, 8 to the power of 0 you akan dapat 1. 8 to the power of 1 you akan dapat 8. And then 8 to the power of 2 is 64. Okay, kalau kita buat FA3 dia dah 512. So dah more than enough, more than the given questions. So kita start relevant lah. Okay, jadi kita ambil sampai 64. Okay, so how we get this number? Macam mana kita nak buat, nak dah tentukan, ialah dengan mudah ambil 128, you divide by 64 because the highest number is here is 64. So 1 to 8 divide by 64 you akan dapat 2. Okay, so 2. So 2, okay, times with 64, you dapat 1 to 8. So how about here? You will only place with the 0. Okay, so you dapat 200 base 8. Okay, alright, so you do that one, 200 base 8. So this is how you went pronounce, okay, the octal number. Bukan 200 base 8, tak ada. Kita akan sebut dia 200 base 8. Every digit. Okay, we pronounce it, okay, announce the numbers, okay, by using digit by digit, okay, digit by digit, okay, not like a decimal, 200, 300, 400. So you have to convert from decimal to octal. Okay, so when you announce the numbers, okay, so the numbers will be 200 base 8. Okay, so this is how when you convert from the base 10 to the octal, okay, for integers, alright, using to octal, either using a placing value method ataupun guna division method. It's up to you which one is more comfortable for you to use. Okay, alright, now we want to convert from the octal to decimal. Tadi kita dah tahu macam mana nak convert daripada decimal to daripada octal. Now dengan untuk convert octal kepada decimal, kita akan menggunakan multiply by 8. Okay, guna multiplication method lah. Okay, macam biasalah. So, kita convert the octal numbers, okay, to the decimal numbers. So, how we do that? So, 10341 base 8 ni, okay, cara ni macam nampak complicated. Okay, tapi kita gunakan cara yang mudah. Ialah, ambil 1034 ni. So, 10341 base 8. Okay, from right to the left, get the values. Okay, get the value of the 8 from the base 8. So instead write 8 power of 0, 8 power of 1, 8 power of 2, 8 power of 3, 8 power of 4 and onwards lah. Kalau selagi ada numbers, lagi tu letak lah. Okay, so in this case, dia sampai 8 power of 4. So we type lah 1 times 8 power of 4 plus 0 times 8 power of 3 plus 3 times 8 power of 2 4 plus 4 times e power of 1 plus 1 times e power of 0. So you get the values and then you add, you will get the answer of in the decimal numbers. Okay, so you have to show this works instead of only given the answer. Right. So this is another example how you convert. Okay, the decimal number, the octal number to the decimal numbers. So this is 5638, 563 base 8. Okay, you convert into a decimal by before you and before you write down the works to show your works, you have to identify where is the values for each particular digit of base 8. Okay, you start from right to left. So you start 8 of power 0, 8 power of 1, 8 power of 2. So when you write down 5 times 8 power of 2 plus 6 times 8 power of 1 plus 3 times 8 power of 0. So you get the values and use your calculator and you get the answer 563 base 8 equals to 371. Okay. So kalau tak ada base ni pun betul. Okay. Alright. Okay, now that is how you convert, okay, the octal to decimal number, okay, in the integer. How about the floating numbers, okay? Alright, octal, okay, decimal points to the decimal. So again, you have to split, okay, your works into two. One is before floating and another one is after floating, because the starting numbers before floating and after floating is different. For the before floating, okay, macam biasa kita gunakan multiplication method. Start from the left, right to the left. So 3. Okay, so this is 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2. So you multiply macam biasa. Tetapi after floating, okay, you kena start daripada kiri ke kanan. Okay, so this is 2 times the 8 to the power of negative 1. Bukan kosong negative 1. So to the times the power 8 of negative 1. So you akan gunakan calculator. You akan dapat 37 plus 4, 1. Ataupun ada orang dia buat macam ni. 37, 1/4. So ini pun betul. Ini pun betul. So either way. Okay. Or you writing the answer. Tapi it's better for you to write down in like in the floating number lah. Instead of fraction numbers. Okay. Okay, that's all.